Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine again with a brand new video, and today's video is all about tattoo because I'm gonna get my tattoo done again. I had many tattoos before, so this is a very special tattoo for very special people in my life. So this is a surprise for them. That's my mom and dad, so I'm getting a tattoo for them. So the tattoo artist who's here, his name is Sudarshan. So he was my junior in my school days, so I've come to him because he's having a very बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस वाला टैटू स्टूडियो है हुबली में. नीडलैंड स्किन नाम है उसका. तो अगर आपको टैटू कराना है तो यहीं आइएगा. बहुत अच्छा है, हाइजीनिक है, एंड यू कैन बी 100% assured, guaranteed about his work and art. I've seen him doing on many people. तो मैं आज यहाँ आई हूँ. तो अभी हम डिज़ाइन सेलेक्ट कर रहे हैं और ये है टैटू स्टूडियो. बहुत बढ़िया स्टूडियो बनाया है. सो आई गिव यू मैनी मोर डिटेल्स इन माई आगे चल के दूंगी. अभी हम टैटू डिजाइन कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, see too many people wanna win, but they too busy celebrating and taking their time. But I already know I'ma get it now though. I'ma get it now though. I'm not slowing down though. Coming for that crown though. I'ma get it now though. I'ma get it now though. I'm not slowing down though. Coming for that crown though. Crown though. Been a minute, but a minute now. Killing everybody when they wanna bring me down. And I got it cause I'm all alone in the studio. I don't need nobody trying to play a role. No turnaround time when I make my shit. Everything I do I underrate my shit. Better know the game can't date my shit. Like 20 more years they gon' play my shit. Goddamn, moving with the plan. Started out and nobody would ever understand till they heard about the money that was coming in. Shout out to the people who been showing all their friends. You know I've been locked in, never stopping. On the drop in, not flopping. Never rocking with the rap king. All the fans got my back, never lacking. In my free time I reply, never slacking. Ayy, told myself I'd find a way. 2013 they would laugh every day. Nobody ever showed love in my way. I was excited from 200 plays. Now I've been thankful for all of the hate. Gave me more reason to get here today. All of the anger got put in the work and I'm keeping it going. Cause I'ma get it now though. I'ma get it now though. I'm not slowing down though. Coming for that crown though. I'ma get it now though. I'ma get it now though. I'm not slowing down though. Coming for that crown though. Crown though. I got people who been looking up to me. I can't never.
The needles I'll be using for you.
Okay.
I'm just making sure it's a new one and sealed.
Yep. ये कभी खुली हुई पैकेट नहीं होनी चाहिए. It has to be sealed. कहीं भी जा रहे हो तो make sure you test it before. So this is how it's going to be. ये पहले सिर्फ impression लिया है. इसके बाद अभी tattoo बनाएंगे and then let's go for it and see how's the result going to be.
I know that there's nothing for certain, but I want it all. Got love for people who clicked on my music and gave it a chance without blowing it off. Nothing is taken for granted, the clock is just ticking and ticking, there's no time to waste. Think about the future like every day and I'm one step away. So I'ma get it now though. I'ma get it now though. I'm not slowing down though. Coming for that crown though. I'ma get it now though. I'ma get it now though. I'm not slowing down though. Coming for that crown though. Crown though.
गाइज जब ये टैटू हो जाता है तो ऐसा वाला कुछ क्या बोलते हैं सर, रैप लगा देते हैं. ही डजंट यूज दिस क्लीन फिल्म रैप विच यू जनरली सी इन अदर टैटू आर्टिस्ट स्टूडियोज. सो दिस इज़ द वन. दिस इज़ ब्रीदेबल एंड मेडिकेटेड एज वेल. तो ये वाला उन्होंने मेरे ऊपर लगाया है. तो अभी इसको थोड़ा डस्ट राइट. सो हीलिंग में इसको टाइम लगेगा 10 to 15 days. 10 days, yeah. Just got my tattoo done and this is how it looks like. So thanks to Sudarshan, he's my friend and a very good tattoo artist here in Hubli. So anybody wants to get a tattoo done in Hubli, so you can definitely come here. And to my subscribers, अगर आप यहाँ आकर बोलोगे कि तुम मेरे subscriber हो, and if you tell my name, then he'll be giving you guys a discount as well. So हाँ, I'll introduce you to Sudarshan now. So that, my friends, is Sudarshan. Hi.
Hi.
You want to introduce yourself?
Hello. So myself Sudarshan. I am basically aeronautical engineer.
Yeah.
I did my aeronautical engineering, then did 1 year specialization on helicopters, 1 year specialization on jet engines. Then I worked for Airbus for 2 years. I used to design flights for Airbus for almost 17 countries. Then I thought, let me follow my passion.
You were working in which place?
Bangalore.
Bangalore, yeah, okay.
So I thought, let me follow my passion. So since my childhood I was good in sketching, drawings and all. So when you follow your passion, then definitely you will love your life.
Yes.
So then I started my career in tattooing. I quit my aviation sector and came into tattoo industry. By this I meet new people, you get to know new stories. Then about the hygiene part and all, you have already seen, and if you wanna have a look, you can come down to my studio. आप आके यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. अब आपको कुछ भी डाउट है टैटूइंग के बारे में, आप आके पूछ सकते हो. बहुत लोगों को टैटू करने से कैंसर आएगा या ब्लड डोनेट नहीं कर सकते हैं, ऐसा बहुत कुछ दिमाग में चलता रहेगा. इट्स ऑल मिसकंसेप्शन एक्चुअली. लोग किसी को सुन के विथ हाफ नॉलेज दे स्टार्ट पब्लिशिंग फेक न्यूज़ एंड ऑल. So कुछ भी डाउट है, you can come down to my studio. It's in Marvel Artiza opposite to Kim's KMC. It's in the 3rd floor, shop number 304, with the name Needle and Skin Tattoo Studio. Okay, you can follow me on Insta and Facebook also, with the needle_and_skin.
Anything you want to know about tattooing, you can come anytime to him, and then he's very free enough to let you know about each and everything in detail. And
for the subscribers,
yep,
surely I'll get some discount for
yes,
sure.
वो तो मिलना ही चाहिए.
हाँ,
of course.
अगर जैस का नाम लेंगे तो ही दूंगा.
और मेरे चैनल का नाम जरूर बताना अगर आपने ये वीडियो देखा है तो. So he'll give you a discount. And काम इतना क्लीन एंड क्लियर है कि आपको हर चीज he'll explain you before doing it. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस कर दे और आपको क्वेश्चन पूछना पड़ेगा. He will proactively tell you everything before he's doing anything on your skin, anything he's applying also he'll let you know. And then needle open करने से पहले he makes sure that you check it and then confirm करे कि it's packed in the pack and sealed. Yes. तो बहुत ज्यादा मतलब मुझे एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बढ़िया रहा. एंड देन ही वाज वेरी क्विक इन डूइंग हिज आर्ट. और सिर्फ डिजाइन चूज करने में ज्यादा टाइम लगा बिकॉज आई वाज नॉट रेडी विथ माय डिजाइंस.
You carry it for your entire life.
Yes.
So you shouldn't be in a hurry.
Yeah. It should not be like
to decide your designs.
Exactly.
If you are confused with your designs, you can come down. You can speak to me. We'll have some kind of counseling or something. Whatever you want, whatever you wish, like whatever you like. I customize the designs.
Yes.
I usually don't copy paste the works. It's always good to create something which you even don't find while searching in internet. So that should be something unique on your skin.
वही. एंड देन जैसे कि मैं कुछ डिजाइन के साथ आई थी बट यहाँ आने के बाद टोटली चेंज हो गया मेरा डिजाइन. एंड देन द रिजल्ट व्हाट आई गॉट इज परफेक्ट एंड आई एम वेरी मच सेटिस्फाइड विद द डिजाइन एंड द रिजल्ट्स. एंड what to tell about him, he's very good, very friendly. आप आकर ऐसे जरूरी नहीं है कि टैटू ही बनवाने आना है. डिस्कस करने के लिए भी यू कैन कम. एंड देन द रिकवरी टैटूज, जैसे कि आपने कोई टैटू बनवाया बहुत खराब बना है तो उसको वो कवर अप भी करते हैं. मतलब जैसे कि उसको अलग डिजाइन देकर he'll discuss with you all the designs and then बहुत सारे डिजाइन दिखाते हैं. एंड इज वेरी पेशेंट. दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग. ऐसा नहीं है कि रश करेंगे कि यू चूज क्विकली और खत्म कर देते काम. एंड देन यू टेक अ अपॉइंटमेंट बिफोर कमिंग. दैट्स रियली गुड, यू नो, वेल इन एडवांस. अगर आप अपॉइंटमेंट लेके आ रहे हो तो इवन he'll keep himself free for you guys. मेरे जैसे मत करना कि मैंने एक बार बोल दिया और फिर हाथ दिया एंड सेकंड टाइम आई केम टू हिम. आई एम सो सॉरी. ओके, सो या क्या है मेरा टैटू. तो अभी मैं पे करके जा रही हूँ. एंड देन मुझे कुछ बताना था कि यहाँ पे टैटू के लिए 3 स्क्वायर इंच तक के लिए 2500 रुपीज़ ही चार्जेस. सो मेरा चार्ज था आज का. एंड देन इफ यू आर कमिंग हियर एंड टेलिंग माय नेम तो डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. 3 इंचेस के ऊपर रहा तो देन 3 स्क्वायर इंचेस के ऊपर रहा तो देन ही विल चार्ज एंड देन ही लेट यू नो द प्राइजेस. तो आफ्टर केयर भी ही हैज़ गिवन मी सो मेनी थिंग्स लाइक अ वैसलीन व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग शावर एंड देन अ जॉनसन बेबी सोप एंड अ पाउडर एंड अ जेल एज वेल and his visiting card also. So aftercare bhi he gives you for free. He's not charging you for that. So the prices for the aftercare is also included. So guys, all the details I'll be giving it in the description box below. And if you have liked this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends so that everybody gets to know in Hubli where's the best tattoo studio.
Channel,
yeah,
and Skin Tattoo
he
studio.
has a YouTube channel as well, Needle and Skin Tattoo. I'll give the details in the description box below. Please do check it out. Okay, yeah, bye bye.
Bye bye.